donate this money. My friend. My friend. Come on. I know you are very rich. I appreciate that. Please donate this money over there. It's just a little disrespectful for the stage. This is you. Please. It's disrespect of the money, please. I like the idea, but yeah, it's just disrespect. But it's alright, just take it. Please donate it.